Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by working on clean, slightly damp hair so you can control texture. Once done, dry to about 70% and comb forward. Clip the sides using a 3 to 4 guard to create that tapered contrast and leave the top long, around 3 to 4 inches, so you can shape the signature messy fringe. As you cut, point cut into the ends to avoid bluntness and encourage movement. This establishes the core silhouette you'll refine next. Now you focus on shaping. Take horizontal sections and point cut into the top to build soft layers that fall forward. This creates that effortless, lived-in look. Make a subtle graduation from the crown toward the forehead so hair naturally swoops into the fringe, and use thinning shears selectively in the mid-lengths to reduce bulk without losing weight. Once you texturize the ends, make sure not to overthin at the roots, or you'll lose the volume that defines Robert Pattinson's style. You finish by blow-drying forward on low heat while using your fingers to push and tousle the hair into place. Once mostly dry, warm a pea size of matte paste between your palms and work through mid-lengths and ends for separation. Make sure to restyle with a touch of water when needed to regain movement. If the hair goes limp, add a light salt spray at the roots for texture. If it gets frizzy, a tiny amount of serum tamed at the ends will rescue the shape.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.